If you need help with an Epic Games issue, the fastest place to start is the Epic Games Support Help Center. In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Epic Games Support step by step, so you can get answers quickly without wasting time searching around. Whether you're having trouble downloading a game, logging in, or fixing an account issue, this method can help point you in the right direction. And before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games support page. You can do this by visiting the official help center on the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, you'll see the support options and a search or help area where you can begin typing your issue. Now, in the query field, type in the problem you need help with. Try to be as clear as possible. For example, if your issue is related to a game download, you can type something like game download issue. If you can, use simple keywords that describe the exact problem. That makes it easier for the support system to understand what you need. After you enter your question, the AI assistant will step in and help you with the query. This is the part where Epic's support system tries to guide you to the most relevant answers or support options. It may give you suggested articles, troubleshooting steps, or help you narrow down the issue. Take a moment to review the suggestions carefully. In many cases, the support assistant can solve common problems right away, such as account access questions, installation errors, purchase concerns, or launcher problems. If the first result does not solve your issue, try rephrasing your question with more details. For example, instead of just saying download issue, you could type Fortnite download stuck or Epic Games Launcher not opening. The key here is to be specific. The better your query, the better the results you'll get from the assistant. If your issue is still not resolved, look for any follow-up support options provided on the page, since Epic may guide you to additional help articles or contact paths depending on the topic. Once you've finished checking the support suggestions, you can decide whether your issue has been solved or whether you need to continue with another support option. This is a really quick way to get help without having to search through the entire site manually. And that's it. You now know how to chat with Epic Games Support using the Help Center and the AI Assistant. It's simple, fast, and a great first step whenever you run into a problem with your account or games. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.